So sabi ni Nick, "Hi Sir Fitz, thanks for the topic today. Words of wisdom for someone who is hesitant in starting a business and losing money meant for retirement." I-consider mo mag-franchise ang business, mas mataas yung kailangan na capital but mas secure or lower yung risk kasi you're getting a system na tested na. Siyempre, wag tayong kukuha ng basta-bastang franchise business na hindi natin kilala or unknown or napaka-bago pa lang, no? So, mag-franchise tayo ng business na meron ng track record. So, siyempre, high risk pa rin yung because it's a business, but relatively lower yung risk of failure because number one, you have a system that already works. Number two, you have nag-aano naman yung ating you have a franchising family that can help you through the marketing, the operations, etc. Maganda yan kasi 15 years, napakatagal pa niyan. So sa 15 years na yan, you can, number one, mag-ipon ng capital para sa business na ipa-franchise mo. Number two, you can spend time to read about entrepreneurship, even start mga small-scale business na parang you can treat it as your learning experience para matuto magnegosyo. For example, mag-buy and sell ka ng something simple. So yung pagba-buy and sell mo, maliit lang naman yung capital na ilalabas mo in selling siguro yung initial inventory. And then, ang focus mo doon ay matutunan yung selling, matutunan paano ba mag-market, etc. May kaibigan ako, mga handmade, homemade soaps, yung binibenta niya kasi yung kapitbahay niya, yun yung business. Sabi niya, pahinga ako niya na 50 bars of soap. Tatry ko ibenta. Binenta niya online, binenta niya sa TikTok live niya, binenta niya sa mga kaibigan niya, sa mga, nabentahan nga ako, yung orange and honey something na okay naman. Yan, ginawa kong hand soap, mga office mates niya. So, ang focus niya doon is to learn how to sell, yung selling skills. Kasi gusto niya mag-shift into a career in sales, no? So, that's also something that you can do. And then, when you retire, you can franchise a business para less need for market research, market study. You already have the technology, the knowledge, the supplies, the system to run a good business. So, kayang-kaya yan kasi marami kang time to study, experiment, and save up for capital if ever you want to get a franchise business. So, kayang-kaya mo yan, Mick. And good luck, no? Masarap magnegosyo. Yun na yung masasabi ko. Meron akong bias towards entrepreneurship kasi dyan din talaga tayo nagsimula. And kahit na nasa financial industry na tayo, lagi kong binabanggit na ang golden goose ko ay yung mga businesses ko. Ibig sabihin, okay lang na walang nagpapakonsult sa atin, okay lang na hindi tayo masyadong maraming subscribers sa mga online content natin kasi ang bread and butter ko ay yung mga micro and small businesses na meron tayo. So, yan. Mahilig talaga tayo mag-negosyo. Ano nga tayo? Serial entrepreneur yun sa tawag nila.